Then is to get stung is very simple. You must have come across this idiom. To be cheated. जब आप किसी को चीट नहीं करें, आप you get cheated. जब सामने वाला आपको चीट करे, तब आप बोलेंगे to get stung. ठीक है? My friend has got stung multiple times, but he still believes in true love. Again, I do not mean to offend anybody. बस मैंने एग्जाम्पल देके समझाया है कि मेरा फ्रेंड है तो to get stung बहुत बार he is being cheated by his girlfriend, but still he believes in true love. ठीक है? My friend has got stung multiple times. बहुत बार जो गर्लफ्रेंड है, जो भी पार्टनर है, उसने डिच किया है, चीट किया है, but still he believes in true love. Okay? So the next one is a big bug. This is very simple. A big bug. नाम से पता चल रहा है bug बहुत बड़ा. That means an important person. ठीक है? I should have written an important person, but nevertheless, important person could आप किसी को बोलना चाह रहे हो कि बहुत important person है, आप उसको नहीं offend कर सकते हो, mistakes करके या errors करके, गलत शब्दों को प्रयोग करके, then you can say that he is the big bug. He is a big bug in the company. You better do not offend him. ठीक है? या Mr. Shyam ले लीजिए example. Mr. Shyam happens to be a big bug as he is working in the company. Please pardon my handwriting. For the last 20 years. Important person है, renowned person है, because he's working for the company, he's working for the last 20 years. पिछले 20 सालों से कंपनी में काम कर रहे हैं, इसलिए वो special person है, important person है. Okay? The next one is to be bitten by a travel bug. This is my favorite. Recently, a few days back, I was watching news on news channel, and I came across an article in which they were saying that कुछ भी data analysis हुआ था, and it was revealed that nowadays people are taking loans for traveling. The percentage of people who used to take earlier used to take loans for home loans, that has kind of redeemed, कम हो गया है वो, and in place of that the people are taking loans for traveling. Nevertheless, to be bitten by a travel bug is used for people, is used for couples, is used for persons who are obsessed